Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add the Japanese keyboard on Windows 11 quickly and easily. Let's get started.
Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Click Time and Language. Step 3. Select Language and Region. Step 4. Click Add a Language. Step 5. Search for Japanese. Select Japanese, then click Next. Step 6. Click Install and wait for Windows to download the language pack. The installation may take a few minutes. I'll speed up this part and I'll be back once it's complete. The installation has finished successfully. Let's continue. Step 7. After the installation is complete, click the language icon on the taskbar or press Windows plus space to switch between English and Japanese. That's it. You have successfully added the Japanese keyboard to Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.